beat ain't normal.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you can hear my fan, I'm sorry, it's just really hot and I have to have my fan on. If you're on my channel, you know that I say that all the time. But anyways, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys this hair that was sent to me by SamsBeauty. All the details for this hair will be in the description box below. I literally have not opened the pack of this hair yet, so we're all going to find out at the same time how this hair is. This hair I got is the Spicy Curl, and it's by the Stylist, and I got this one in the color OTDBLBK. So I'm gonna have all the details in the description box below. So this wig doesn't come with a 4x4 closure. It comes with a 4-inch dip invisible curve hat. So I'm going to just put this wig on, see what it looks like. We try to style it, make it look nice, you know. Anyways, let's get into it. So this is basically what the inside of the cap looks like. It has two combs by the side, one right here and one right here. This is the parting space it comes with. So as I said earlier, it comes with an invisible curved part. So there's lace around, like from ear to ear. So I mean, you can put it up in a ponytail, but you can't make any part anywhere that is not on the curved part. That makes sense. So it also has one comb at the back right there, in case you want to put it up and just, you know, make it look nice. Even though I'm not going to ever put it off because it's pretty short. But yes, anyways, now I'm going to go ahead and cut up the lace, because you don't put on your wig with your lace on, okay? If you don't know, now you know. I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace, and you just want to make sure you're cutting the lace as close to the hairline as possible. So I'm going to just cut around here, okay guys? And now this is basically what it looks like. So I've cut up the lace and now I'm going to put it on. It has adjustable straps. I don't think I mentioned that. So you can adjust it to be as tight or as loose as you want it. So this is basically what it looks like when I just put it on. The reason I don't like getting wigs that already have like a set part is because they always put the part on the right side, and I don't like right side parts. I just like left side parts, and this is a curved part, so I think it's gonna look weird if I try to move it to the left. So I'm just going to leave it like that. But anyways, this hair feels really soft. I really like the color of my skin tone. Obviously right now it doesn't look natural, like, of course, so I'm going to still go ahead and try to adjust this to look natural. So I think I'm going to do a little bit of baby hairs before putting any powder on it. So I have this much out, and I'm just going to cut this short. I'm also going to try to widen the beginning of the part. So I'm just plucking out some hairs. So this is what I have. Next, I'm going in with my Got To Be Good styling gel. This is what I use for my edges. This one, the one in the black bottle. So next I'm going to tie it down with an elastic band. So I'm just going to leave this elastic band on for about 1 minute, and I'll take it off. Okay, so it's been 1 minute and I'm just going to take this off. Whoa, sorry.
And I believe now more than ever that we are...
Sorry about that. Anyways guys, this is basically what it is looking like. Let's try to make it look better. Ouch. So for the parting space, I'm just going to take my face powder. This is the L'Oreal True Match in the color W8. And I'm just going to take this dense brush and start, you know, trying to make this a more believable color. So when you put the powder, next you want to just go in and use your hand to kind of blend it. You make it blend. So after doing that, this is basically what the parting space is looking like. It looks good in real life. I hope it looks good on camera because it can be tricky sometimes. So for the hair itself, I'm just going to go ahead and try to fluff it out a bit more because I want it bigger. And I'm just teasing the hair literally. I'm not trying to comb it or anything. At least I don't think I would have to. But I'm just teasing it, trying to make it a lot bigger than it is. Now I'm just taking this mousse. This is the Got To Be Glue Bodifying Mousse, this one. So far everything looks nice, but this front is a little too long and it's in my way. So I'm just going to take a hairpin and I'm going to pin right here to be a bit higher. So guys, this is the final result. This is what it turned out to look like. I really like it. Remember I said in the beginning that I really don't like right side parts on me, but this one is actually like making me like right side parts. Like I really like how it turned out. It looks really cute. I really did not have to trim anything. The only thing I did was I had to pin this side up a bit because right here was a little too long and it was in my face. I just cut a little bit of hair just to make sure that the two sides are equal. But that's pretty much it. Literally, this hair is a very easy hair. So personally, so far I like this hair. I feel like this hair is perfect for somebody that just needs a wig to put on and get out of the house like immediately. In my opinion, I feel like curly hair is a lot easier to style because you don't need to start straightening it or worrying about combing it. All you have to do is just fluff it out, probably spray a little bit of water and conditioner on it, and it's just good to go. Me personally, curly hair is my favorite. I really don't like all those straight and all those, you know, hairs just because it's so hard to style. That's by the way. I really like this hair. I would definitely recommend that you buy this hair if you're looking for something like this. You found it, okay? The color is amazing. Remember I said I got a blue black, dark blue black. I don't remember, but it's something blue black. The details will be in the description box below, but I really like the color. It's really cute. And yes guys, that's pretty much it. Please do not forget to like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment before you leave if you enjoyed this video. Like, just do that. Anyways guys, thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace out.